You will need 2 cups of flour. I use a fourth a cup of the gluten flour in each cup. You also need 1 cup of swerve sugar, then 2 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, add 4 tablespoons of butter. I use non-dairy because my husband is lactose intolerant. And then you also add 2 eggs. Bake for 40 minutes. It'll probably take about 50 though, because the Chayote has a lot of water content.